Got that shit from Chicago yesterday. He done coughed 6 times since he been doing this report. He got that shit like he got that shit like we got, and we don't have health care. Watch this. He got that shit. He trying not to cough too much. He got that shit from Chicago yesterday. Breaking news: Joe Biden is on his last leg. He got that shit that's in the air. Joe Biden, we can't breathe.
Told I have a helicopter out there waiting to go up to do an interview in New York. I'll be talking more about this a lot.
Go to New York and double get it. And then breaking news will be Joe Biden is in the hospital. And Ms. Harris will be our president. Bye. He ain't gonna take no, he got the alopecia. He got alopecia. Look at him.
This is not a normal.
What did he say? He closed the door on him. Bang. Go steal you some more certified documents.